Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors. Armand Trousseau, 1801 to 1867. Trousseau's tourniquet sign for tetany, Trousseau's sign, thrombophlebitis migrans due to visceral carcinoma. Armand Trousseau was born in Tours, France, in 1801 and graduated in medicine in Paris in 1825. He was appointed physician at the Hôpital Saint-Antoine in 1839 and at the Hôtel Dieu in 1850. He was an outstanding physician and a popular teacher. His textbooks on therapeutics and on clinical medicine were bestsellers, and both were translated into English. In his teaching he popularized the use of eponyms such as Hodgkin's disease. He demonstrated that in patients with tetany, occlusion of the pulse with a sphygmomanometer for a few minutes will induce carpopedal spasm. He also described superficial thrombophlebitis in the veins of the limbs in advanced malignant disease. This latter condition he also diagnosed in his left arm when he developed stomach cancer, from which he died 6 months later. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. ARMAND.